Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we have already discussed the scope of e-commerce, functions of e-commerce and limitations of e-commerce. Today we will see e-commerce applications, recent trends of e-commerce, etc. Now we will see one by one. So, e-commerce application. Various e-commerce applications are given below. First is e-marketing. E-marketing, also known as internet marketing, online marketing and web marketing. It is the marketing of product or services over the internet. It is considered to be broad in scope because not refer to marketing on the internet but also done in email and wireless media. E-marketing ties together the creative and technical aspect of the internet, including design development, advertising, and sales. Internet marketing is associated with several business models like B2C, means the business to consumer, B2B, business to business, and C2C, consumer to consumer. Internet marketing is inexpensive when examining the ratio of cost to be reach of the target. Okay. So, first is the internet marketing or the online marketing. Second, e-advertising. It is also known as the online advertising. It is the form of promotion that uses internet and World Wide Web to deliver marketing message to attract customers. So students, for example of the e-advertising is banners ad, social network advertising, online classified advertising, etc. The growth of these particular media attract the attention of advertiser as a more productive source to bring in consumers. Okay. Next application is e-banking. E-banking means any user with a personal computer and browser can get connected to his bank website to perform any of the banking function. In internet banking system, the bank has a centralized database. Best example of e-banking is the ATM. An ATM is an electronic fund transfer terminal capability of handling cash deposit, transfer, balance inquiry, cash withdrawal and pay bill, etc. Okay. Some services through the e-banking is bill payment service and fund transfer and investing through the internet banking and the shopping or the services of the e-banking. Next is the e-learning. E-learning comprises all form of electronic supported learning and teaching. E-learning applications and processes include web-based learning, computer-based learning. Okay. Content is delivered through the internet, intranet or extranet, audio, video tape, satellite, TV, etc. So students, e-learning is naturally suited to a distance and the flexible learning, but can also be used conjunction with face-to-face teaching. E-learning can also refer to the educational websites such as those offering learning scenario, works and the interactive exercises for children. E-learning management system, that is LMS, is software used for delivering, tracking and managing training or the education. Okay. Next is mobile commerce. Mobile commerce means m-commerce. Mobile commerce is also known as the m-commerce. It is the ability to conduct commerce as a mobile device, such as mobile phone. Bank and other financial institutions use mobile commerce to allow their customers to access account information and make transactions such as the purchasing, withdrawal, etc. Using a mobile browser, customer can shop online without having to be at their personal computer. Okay. Some mobile commerce services are like mobile ticketing, mobile contract purchase and delivery, mainly consumer of the sale of the ringtones, wallpapers and games of mobile phone. And some other example, information services, news, sport, score, etc. are the mobile services. Next is online shopping. Online shopping is the process whereby consumer directly buy goods or services from a sale in real time without intermediary services over the internet. Okay. And online shop, e-shop, e-store, internet shop, web store, online store and the virtual shop is the physical analogy of buying product or services in a shopping center. In order to shop online, one must be able to have access to a computer, a bank account and a debit card. Online shoppers commonly use credit card to make payments. However, some systems enable users to create account and pay by alternative means such as check, debit card, gift card, etc. Online stores are usually available 24 hours a day. So students, these all are the important applications of e-commerce. Next point, recent trends of e-commerce. First is the animation. So students, motion on static screen will always attract attention. This is the reason auto-played video are so popular on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Use animation and movement on your website or email marketing campaign to draw attention to specific detail and engage viewer. So this is the most important traits of e-commerce. Next is automation. The more tasks your business can automate, the more easily scalable your business model become. Many aspects of targeting, marketing, customer service and fulfillment can now be automated to take pressure off your human resources in 2019. Next is artificial intelligence. The rise of conversation artificial intelligence is one of the 2019's most popular e-commerce trends, helping brands interact with customers at scale. In addition to answering common customer questions, Messenger bots are also able to facilitate the buying process for online shoppers. This e-commerce trend provides massive value to business consumers who demand immediate answer regardless of time of day or the platform they choose to contact a company. Artificial intelligence allows e-commerce business to support customers on all platforms simultaneously. Next is machine learning. Students, artificial intelligence based e-commerce is still in its early development, but 2019 is definitely the time to begin utilizing its superpower. Unlike simple automation, advanced machine learning allows you to deeply customize how individual users experience your brand. Beyond personalizing specific field according to customer data, email marketing campaign can be triggered by pattern of customer behavior such as purchase history. For example, if a customer habitual order a product every few months, the system can send reminder email promoting future reorders. Okay. Next is voice search. It is the most important traits of e-commerce. As Google Assistant and Alexa become more popular, voice search on mobile device is being used more often to make purchase. Optimizing your e-commerce shop for voice search can position your business to receive more traffic in 2018. So, these all are the important traits of e-commerce in nowadays. Okay. So, today we have discussed e-commerce application and recent traits of e-commerce. Thank you. Thank you so much.